10 Best Side Hustles to Start in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome to Skill Hub, where we help you unlock new skills, explore side hustles, and discover ways to make money online. If you're looking for financial freedom and want to stay ahead of the game in 2025, then you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the 10 best side hustles to start in 2025. Whether you want to earn extra income, start a business, or build a new career path, these side hustles are trending, profitable, and future-proof. Stick around till the end because I'll also share some powerful websites and tools to help you succeed with your side hustle. But before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable content like this. And if you have any side hustle ideas or topics you'd love us to cover, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Chapter 1, The Rise of Side Hustles in 2025. The job market is changing fast. More people are looking for financial independence, remote work, and passive income. Whether you have a full-time job, you're a student, or just looking for extra cash, there's a side hustle for you. Let's dive into the top 10 most profitable side hustles for 2025. 10 best side hustles to start in 2025. 1. AI-powered freelancing. Offer AI-generated content, chatbots, or automation services. Platforms, Upwork, Fiverr. Pro tip, learn tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Jasper AI. 2. Print-on-demand business. Sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases with no inventory. Platforms Printful, Redbubble. Pro tip, use Canva to design unique eye-catching products. 3. TikTok and YouTube automation. Earn money by creating faceless videos, monetization via ads, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. Platforms YouTube, TikTok. Pro tip, use AI voiceovers and stock footage to make videos quickly. 4. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products online. Platforms Amazon Associates, ClickBank. Pro tip, build a TikTok or Instagram account around a niche and share affiliate links. 5. Remote customer service jobs. Work from home answering calls and messages for companies. Platforms LiveOps, Arise Pro. Tip, great for introverts who want flexible hours. 6. Selling digital products. Sell ebooks, courses, templates, or stock photos. Platforms Etsy, Gumroad. Pro tip, use AI tools to create digital products faster. 7. Virtual assistant services. Offer services like email management and social media scheduling. Platforms Belay, People Per Hour, Pro. Tip, specialize in a niche like e-commerce to stand out. 8. Dropshipping. Sell products online without handling inventory. Platforms Shopify, AliExpress. Pro tip, find trending products using Ecom Hunt. 9. AI resume writing and career coaching. Help people land better jobs with AI-enhanced resumes. Platforms LinkedIn, Resume Worded. Pro tip, use ChatGPT to quickly create professional resumes. Local service-based businesses. Easy side hustle, cleaning, pet sitting, or mobile car detailing. Platforms TaskRabbit, Care.com. Pro tip, offer subscription-based services for steady income. Chapter 3, Tools and websites to help you succeed. To make things easier, here are some game-changing websites to help you get started with your side hustle. Canva, free graphic design for your brand. Upwork, find freelance gigs. Etsy, sell digital products. ChatGPT, AI content creation. Shopify, build an e-commerce store. And there you have it, the 10 best side hustles for 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Quick recap: AI-powered freelancing, print-on-demand, TikTok and YouTube automation. Affiliate marketing, remote customer service, selling digital products, virtual assistant services, dropshipping, resume writing and career coaching, local service-based businesses. Now it's your turn. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe to Skill Hub for more side hustle tips and money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep hustling and keep creating.